Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to automate your sales, lead tracking, and follow-up process, so you never lose a potential customer again if you are getting tons of inquiries but struggling to keep up with responses. This is the solution you need. We are setting up an automation that captures every new sales lead that fills out your inquiry form and automatically follows up with them instantly after 24 hours and again after 3 days. Leads are everything, but if you are manually tracking who replied, who didn't, and who follow up, it is just not sustainable. Automating these help you respond faster, stay consistent, and close more deals without the stress. Now, majority of you will be thinking, do I need any prerequisite knowledge? No, you don't need any tech knowledge to build this automation. If you can fill out a form, you can follow this tutorial. We'll go step by step and set it up inside Opendashboard. First, let's build a simple inquiry form. This is what our leads will fill out with their names, their email, and what they are interested in. And also we connect it with a database, so every inquiry is automatically saved. That way no lead ever gets lost. Yeah, follow me through the process. We name our database sales and leads. Now let's build from scratch. So now that we've created our database, then let's create our form. We click on new view, then we click on form. We rename it as enquiry form. Then we press create. Then we click on edit here. Then we make all these visible in a way where everyone can see it. Then after we are done, we publish our form. We've automatically published our form. So I'll be putting the form in a separate place. Now let's move to our workflow. Let's create the workflow. We click on new workflow. I will name it customer enquiry. let's set up our trigger to be on record created. And let's choose our database, which is the sales and lead database. Now that we have set up our trigger, we will create an instant email reply and come down to this plus button, come down to open dashboard and click on what? Send email. Then let's fill in the details. So the recipient's name will be, for every person filling out the form, we are using their name. Then we click on, let's come here, name this customer to make it easier for us. So now, customer first name, then email will be customer email, email address. Then the subject and now the body then let's put the name of the customer to make it personalized. Customer first name. Now we're done with the first one. Then we come here to set our delay for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we send a follow-up email. So we are delaying for 24. Then we come to this time unit, click on hours. And what next are we doing after that is to send another email, a follow-up email to them. So now we send an email. Same procedure we use for the first name. And also the subject. And let's fill in the body of our mail. So now, the next thing we have to do is delay for 3 days to send another email to them. Still same process. First name, and likewise their email. And also let's fill in the body and the subject. So here is what it looks like. We publish, and here is what it looks like from the lead side. You send the lead, fill the form. I'll fill the form from the background here. Now let's check if what we did worked. As you can see, it worked. It is delaying because I'm going to get the follow-up email after 24 hours. And this is it. You have just built an automated sales follow-up system that works while you sleep. You want to install this into your workspace. Head to Opendashboard Marketplace, link in the description, and hit the like button and subscribe for more automation tutorials. See you in our next video.